Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into Valorant with Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your Valorant application on your device. Once you launch it open, you will end up in the sign in page. To sign into your Valorant account, you'll first need to go ahead and enter your Riot Games account's credentials. If you're trying to log in with Facebook, simply go ahead and click on the Facebook icon. This will then take you to the login page of Facebook. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's email and then your password and click on login. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Valorant account with Facebook. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.